Hey guys, in this era of algorithm updates and unpredictability, like the war happening in Ukraine and Russia and the dwindling ad revenues, a publisher's mind is a potent cocktail of anxiety. It is always good to build your own audience so that you can engage with them whenever you want to without depending on the walled gardens. We will be posting more videos on how you can build your audience and how you can engage with them and how you can put the publisher flywheel in motion. Subscribe to our channel and hit the like button if you like what you see. Here are the best practices of creating a stellar subscription experience. Interrupt politely, which means that you do not want to show a user a prompt at the wrong time, which might actually lead to them unintentionally clicking on allow, on block, or even dismissing the notification. Which means that showing a prompt at a page load, right, is definitely a big no. There are a lot of websites out there where you actually land on them and then they throw a lot of prompts at you, or a lot of pop-ups, right, which is a super bad user experience. What you definitely need to do is give them time to browse your website so they can understand what you actually publish. Is it something that they like? And then show them the prompt. But when is the right time to show user a subscription prompt? Show the prompt based on your average session duration. Check your average session duration on your GA. And if let's say your average session is around 1 minute, show the prompt after a 5-second delay. Let's say if it is around 2 to 3 minutes, then probably you can show the prompt after 15 seconds of delay. Number 2. Show the prompt after 20 to 30 seconds of paid scroll. You can do this by going to Google Tag Manager and setting up triggers after a user has scrolled to 20 to 30%, and then you can show them the prompt. This ensures that a person has actually read to a specific point of the page and is interested, so the chance of them actually subscribing are more. Point number 3. Show the prompt when a clear intention is shown. Basically, show them the prompt after completion of their article. So once they've read the entire article, the chance of them understanding what you're capable of showing them, what they can read more, you can ask them to subscribe by adding a call to action button at the very end of the article. Number 4. Trigger prompt on extenders. Make sure that you show them a prompt when they're planning to abandon the website. Okay? And craft a catchy copy. It might just mean that you might get a new subscriber. So where should you ask the user? Show them the prompt on all your article pages, especially the ones that receive high traffic. You also need to make sure that you do not leave out your subdomains. Leaving out on high traffic pages and subdomains result in 75 to 80% of loss on your subscriptions. Customize your prompts based on number 1, different news categories. Let's say someone is on a sports page. You could show a prompt which reads something like, do you want live updates on every time there's a football match? You can show different prompts and customize it according to the news categories for, let's say, business, for politics, for sports, for fashion, for technology. The list goes on. Number 2. Prompt in the language that you have content in. Is the user familiar with Hindi and Arabic? Show them the prompt in a language that the user is comfortable with, the language that your website is. Number 3. Add the user's location tag. This means that you capture the user's location to understand where they are, where the interest lies in, and then show them the prompt accordingly. Ask user preferences from day 0. Ask your users what categories they would like to receive notifications from. Let's say your website has categories such as business, sports, entertainment, technology. Ask them what notifications they would like to receive ask them to tick on it, and basically send them notifications that are contextual. There are a lot of non-native prompts that you can try out. But which one performs the best? We dug our nails into 535 websites from the Chrome UX Permission Report and found out that out of all of the non-native prompts, the dialog box performs the best. You can get the link of the Chrome UX Permission Report in the description below. Let's say a user has converted into a subscriber. What should you do when someone subscribes? To start with, send them a welcome notification. Show them how the web push notification experience is going to be like. Redirect them to a landing page where they can sign up for newsletters or where they can subscribe. Send them the most popular article. Engage with them right from day zero. Make sure that you do not redirect them to the home page but to any other page on the website. Last but not the least, how do you measure the effectiveness of the subscription experience? Monitor the percentage of subscriptions corresponding to the churn during that time period. You can also compare the stats of different subscription experiences and then draw conclusions. You can find the link to the article of best practices for subscription experiences in the description below. Bye.